So hi. These are the ingredients. I've used this as a measurement cup. So for this, 1 cup rice, raw rice. I've used 1 cup raw rice and quarter cup urad dal, whole or split. And this both have soaked for 4 hours. This is a grated coconut. And with this, I will roughly grind the garlic, the shallots, and the cumin seeds. And for the coconut milk dip, we have the thick milk, the thick milk or the first milk. This is the second milk or the thin one. And this is the jaggery which has been melted. And this is around 200 grams. And this is the cardamom. This is the rice that has been ground into a fine paste, and this is the urad dal. So we'll mix the both. This is the mix of the coconut with the shallots, cumin seeds, and the garlic. And this has been finely ground, and now we will mix all them. Add a little salt also. Don't add too much of urad dal, just a quarter cup is enough for 1 cup. That measurement should be followed because otherwise the urad dal's taste will be more. Now we won't allow this to ferment, but we will let it stand for some time. Now I have to set up the idli maker. I have to boil water in the idli maker, and then I have to keep this on that. So this is the jaggery. In case you want to make it with indriyappam, so Jay aunty says that in case if you want to make indriyappam, you can add this one, so it will give a brown color to this. So, but this I am going to follow the traditional one. I am not going to add the jaggery into this. I have taken a plate, a steel plate. And I have applied a little coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil is best. If you don't have coconut oil, apply butter or clarified ghee or any other vegetable oil. Pour the mix. If you have palm leaf, you can make a cross inside this also. Now the appam has been prepared in the idli maker cooker. First we will put the second milk. And the jaggery, the melted jaggery. The melted, and we have strained it to remove any impurities that are in there. So we'll look how much is required. So I have melted around 200 grams. So this is enough. 1 teaspoon of rice flour, so that the coconut milk thickens. Now I'll keep this to boil. Now boil the coconut milk mix until the mix thickens, and then add the first milk, and then lower the flame and do not let it boil. Then add the cardamom powder also. Now just stir it for a while, do not let it boil, and remove it from flame. Coconut milk dip is also ready. So please do share your opinions in the comment box. Thank you.